FYI guys, I just wanted to let you know, y'all already know I play in my hair a lot, but I went to a new braider this time and she put all of the color hair in the back and she did not make it long enough. The top was longer than the back. So yeah, you'll see a lot of excessive hair playing. I am so sorry. Thank you for watching and stay tuned. Me and my bags are here. That's gonna be my new saying. I always have bags under my eyes. My travel partner. Leave it. Hotel waiting on the birthday girl. I have people in this party that don't want to be filmed, so y'all just be seeing my face and my husband doing this. Okay, so this is what I got off the buffet. It's called The Buffet and it's in the Aria. This is shrimp and grits, eggs Benedict, and one piece of bacon.
Anything love, okay? Do you have a straw? I have just a big first, okay?
Hey y'all, so this is where I decided to go ahead and speed up the room tour. It was a long clip, so I decided to chop it up. I also didn't tell you that this is the Vdara Hotel, and we stayed here for 3 nights, and I hope you guys enjoy the tour. Thank you for watching. And I just wanted to come in and say shout out to Gwen. She picked this hotel. It was very, very nice. One of the nicer hotels that we stayed in Vegas. She did her research and we just copied her because your girl was going to go back to the link. Y'all know I'm cheap. And right here, I just wanted to shout out Valerie Crad from the Wife Code. I want to show off my shirt. Yeah, I should have ordered a size bigger, but your girl is in denial. Shout out to the Wife Code. Now, let's see the view. Ignore it. Oh, or a string. How you do it? Difficulties. Okay, so when we checked in, we got here really early, so we checked our bags at the bellhop desk or something, and they gave us this card. I don't know if this interests y'all, but I'm gonna show it to you. This is the phone where you can call they have the preset buttons: concierge, front desk, bell desk, housekeeping, spa, in-suite, and all that other good jazz. But this over here, I'm not sure what it's called. I don't know, but you can view the menu. What did I do? I don't know. It says welcome. How do you do the... Oh, this is for you to order something. Let's get out of there. We don't need that. Oh my goodness. Okay. They just brought our luggage and I asked them how to do this window how to raise the window up, and it's here on the wall. So let's see. Oh, look at there. When he did it, they both went up together. Nice, nice, nice. And look at the view. Oh, it's of the pool down there. Cool. And that's the area where William's friends are staying. The other set of friends are staying here at the Vdara. Did I tell y'all it's the Vdara we're staying at? Yeah. And that's the area over there. They're staying over there. So it's not too bad, but cool. This is really nice. Really nice. It's about the same size as that temporary apartment that we were in. Okay. Okay, we're going to dinner at the Stratosphere. When booking this, I didn't realize we gotta get the elevator all the way up there. Okay, so we made it to the top of the world. Look at that view, y'all.
Is this place moving?
It is kind of rotating.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I don't know if this
It rotates. I thought they said it rotates every birthday girl. You made it up there. Well, they don't put it around. But it's nice, it works. To me, it works. Every experience in life is worth. Well, they got the dinner. Man, this is one jump. I didn't see them though, but I do see the rope. I'm gonna drink one more wine, man. I'm gonna go and go up there. What? You say what? I'm gonna drink one more wine and then we're going to go. You gonna go up there? Checking it out.
Okay, babe got the rack of lamb. And I got the lobster bisque.
Uh-oh.
Oh, it's a video. You want to say hello?
Hey, everybody.
Okay, we just left the Stratosphere on top of the world restaurant. You were right, Miss Courtney. I'm on Fremont Street. Okay. Street performer. We're downtown on Fremont Street, y'all. Oh, it's bright. Tell the people hi.
Hey, how y'all doing tonight?
How did you like the dinner at Top of the World?
I loved it. I was on top of the world.
Me, not so much. the views were good. Oh, they preaching. You preaching?
Yeah.
Oh. Uh-oh. I can't tell the people in the back roads because it's blurry. Oh, there we go. It be taking a little while. Y'all, we on the back road, look.
from the tow up.
Girl, I don't want your car. I got one in. No, you saw she really went to the door. I got one of those at home. It may not be the Jeep. Remember to end the vlog. This day may not be long. It may be really short. Thank you so much for tuning in. And we'll see you in the next video.